We've got some major cryptocurrency news hitting the scene today, and I think this could drive prices very, very high. Hopefully in the short term, not the long term. I'm going to be talking about the top 5 tokens that I think, top 5 coins as well, that I think could be driven higher by this news, what they are, whether or not you guys should be checking them out, and if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up everybody, I'm Clay Bro, and first off foremost, we have to look at the news so that we understand what's going to be driving these prices higher. Now you guys can see the headlines here. 11 Dems buck Biden and Senate passes rollback of crypto guidance. U.S. Senate votes to kill the SEC's crypto accounting policy. U.S. Senate passes measures withdrawing SEC accounting bulletin. Now just to jump in real quick so that we can see what this is here, you've got a dozen Democrats joining 48 Republicans in voting to repeal SAB 121. Now just a brief kind of overview of what that is. It says the U.S. Senate joined the House of Representatives on Thursday in seeking to erase the controversial Securities and Exchange Commission SEC crypto policy known as the Staff Accounting Bulletin number 121. Though President Joe Biden has vowed to veto the resolution. The Senate voted 60-38 on the effort. Commonly referred to as SAB 121, the crypto industry may not breathe a sigh of relief just yet over the banking constraints, as Biden may be vetoing this here. But guys, it is being touted as you know, innovation and seeking innovation here in the United States. It says that he's not going to let this rule be removed because this would disrupt the work to protect investors in crypto asset markets and to safeguard broader financial systems. So I don't want to get ahead of myself just yet, but I think the Senate is bracing themselves for what is to come. I think that they are bucking the trend of the Biden administration, gearing up for potentially a very inclusive, innovative, and embracing environment here in the United States, of course, following the November election. Now, if that takes place, I believe that Ethereum could absolutely soar in value. Why? Well, of course, Ethereum is also gunning for an ETF, as you can see right here. Now, Coinbase says that people might be underestimating the timing and odds of an Ethereum ETF, but if the United States begins to embrace the cryptocurrency space, Ethereum could absolutely soar in value. Another one, pepe. Now, why did I choose pepe? Pepe is one of the new and emerging meme coins on the scene. We know that meme coins absolutely rally during bull markets, and I believe the information that you just saw there could cause a bull market like we have not seen before. The United States embracing crypto, which we have not done in a regulatory way, could cause meme coins to rocket higher, and because pepe is one of the larger meme coins now, but still one of the newer meme coins, it could see astronomical gains jumping in value. Now, the next one that I want to touch on, Dogeverse. If you guys have missed out on Dogeverse, it is not yet too late, but this could be your last chance to buy. Dogeverse is still in the pre-sale stages, and these guys have raised over $15 million. Now, I do have an affiliate link for them down in the description below, so please make sure you check that out if you're interested in buying. You're going to be connecting to the correct website. You're going to grab a bag, and this is going to be the lowest market cap coin on this list of top 5 here that I believe could run. And because of that, I believe it's got the best potential to run the highest. Lower market cap coins usually lead to the highest amount of gains. So therefore, I do believe Dogeverse. Not only does it take advantage of the meme coin category, Dogeverse is also going to be a multi-chain bridge where you're going to be able to buy, claim, and bridge between the the 6 most active blockchains in the world, aside from Bitcoin right now. So Dogeverse is an absolute possibility for a huge gainer during the bull market, which could be a result of that news you just saw there. From there, I think that Dogecoin, if we're looking at Dogecoin right here, Dogecoin is up just a little bit on the news today, doing very, very well, but we are still a far way off from the all-time highs that Dogecoin hit. We could still see 4-5x gains in Dogecoin, and that is absolutely impressive. Talking about its market cap, you guys are going to be going from a market cap above $20 billion, potentially testing $100 billion during a bull run, and Dogecoin could create a ton of gains, and there's no way that Dogecoin, that Dogeverse, that these meme coins gain without taking Shiba Inu coin along with them. And guys, if Shiba Inu coin runs, it is a dog meme coin. If Dogecoin runs, it is a dog meme coin. If Pepe is running, because it is one of the newest and fastest growing meme coins out there, I absolutely believe that that could cause and even further the acceleration in Dogeverse. So if you guys are interested, and make sure you check it out in the description below, in the comments below. Grab it before it's too late, because as the website says here, this could be the last chance to buy. I want to know what your guys' top 5 picks are down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day.